Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Fabrica. Welcome to GLOBO magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to talk about the creative Fabrica because if you're following me for a while, you'll know that I've already made a video talking about how much I make in my first month on the creative Fabrica. And after uploading that video, I was getting a few of the comments and people were telling me that it's not possible to make that much money onto the creative Fabrica, like they haven't been making that much, so it's not possible according to them. So I'm going to really talk about that is it really possible to make money onto the creative Fabrica? Is a creative Fabrica really worth it being as a seller, being as a designer, someone who's actually uploading the art or uploading the graphics onto that platform for selling? So if you're interested in that, then stick till the end, and also don't forget to hit the like button before going into the good part. And also guys, I have made a top 30 ways to make money online free guide, especially for the artists and creative entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in making money online, then I really recommend that free guide. The free guide description box below, you can download it and all that. So talking about the creative Fabrica now, specific points here to actually prove my point or why I'm saying so. So guys, I uploaded that video and I saw that few people were telling me that it's not possible they haven't made that. So I'm telling you, yes, it's possible to make money onto the creative Fabrica. Yes, it's possible. In fact, I made I guess $12 or $19 in that month. I really don't remember that. If you want to check that video out, you can check in the card section above guys. You can check the complete playlist of the creative Fabrica. I've made a bunch of videos in the card section above guys. So I guess I made like $12 to $19 in that first month. So I'm going to tell you, people are making more than me, more than that. They are making few hundreds of dollars each month from the creative Fabrica. Yes, it's possible to make money. Yes, but it depends what you are doing with the platform. Cover the few reasons which you need to look into if you're not making that much money onto the creative Fabrica. The first number one reason is the research. You're not doing a research. You're just going onto the platform and uploading the graphics without having a proper research about it. Because if you're just uploading the things without actually knowing that whether that particular product is selling on the platform, then you would be very unlikely to get the sales. Because it's a third-party platform, guys. It's not our platform. It's a third-party platform. We don't control it. So what is the customer are coming onto that platform to purchase that? What is the thing that is in demand? What are the people are actually more into buying? You need to do the research. Don't cut corners. Don't think that you just need to upload the thing and it will eventually going to sell. It might will going to sell. It might not be selling that much. So you really need to do the research. Of course, it will going to take some time to do the research. I'm not telling you to do the months of research and then uploading your work onto the creative Fabric. I'm not telling you to do that. I'm telling you to do the at least research for 3 to 4 days. Just go onto the creative Fabric and search for a specific topic for which you want to upload your graphics and look whether that input thing, whether people are actually purchasing that. Look for the first page on that particular niche or topic and check for the different designers who are selling the product related to that particular niche and check for their favorites, whether they are getting more favorites for that particular product or not. If they are getting it, that means it is in demand. That means the people are purchasing that product. Then you are ready, set, ready to go and upload that work. Okay guys, so do your research, don't cut corners. I really want to tell you it's possible to make money. If you are just uploading anything without doing any research, you might not be getting that sales which you wanted. So do the research, see what people really want from that platform. So that is the number one point. The second thing I want to emphasize much more in depth is about the demand. What is in the demanding things? I often talk about the going for the trend, especially talking about the print on demand or the KDP. Yes, of course the trend is not an evergreen. It will be the trending for the few months or for the few days when that thing is coming. And then there will be the huge drop in the sales. But eventually you'll be getting the first few sales very fast. So if you want to get the more sales in the very beginning and first few sales, then of course going with the trend is the best option that you could ever do. Check out on the creative Fabric and see what's trending. Like right now the Easter designs are in trending, then it would be the Mother's Day, then it would be the Father's Day, then the July would be Independence Day and so on and so forth. Look for the different holidays, different occasions that are coming in a year, and you can go onto the creative Fabric and search for the Independence Day design or the Halloween design or the Thanksgiving design or Mother's Day design, whatever it is, and upload the design that's in trending. look for the demand. What is it the demanding thing right now? If you go onto that and look for the KDP interiors, it's in the demand right now. And not many people are uploading the KDP interior on the platform. So you can see the demand is high, but the competition is low. So pick up that niche or upload that particular product onto this platform, which is in greater demand, but the competition is quite low. So it would be more likely for you to get more sales. Do that thing, guys. It's really important. I couldn't emphasize more about it, and you would definitely be getting more sales. So right now, if you're preparing for the trending design, I would say go for the Mother's Day, because Easter is almost like, it's almost the 1st April. So Easter will about to go into 3 days. But go for the Mother's Day. It's in May. So you have a plenty of time to prepare your designs for the Mother's Day. So do it right now and upload it onto the Creative Fabrica. Now the third major thing that I really want to talk about is your title, description and your tag. People just upload the thing without optimizing the title, the description and the tag, thinking that it will actually going to buy. Because yes, the competition is there onto the Creative Fabrica. If you're just uploading a simple graphics, you're going to see there are millions of graphics onto the Creative Fabrica. So your graphic would be just hidden away in the bunch of the graphics that are there on the first page. Because if your product is getting the more favorites, you would be having more high likely chances to be product seen onto the onto the first page or in first few pages. So if you're getting the more favorites for your product, then you would be getting the more sales, and also it would be ranked high onto the Creative Fabrica. So optimize your title, your description, and use those tags and keywords. Like you can use the maximum up to 50 keywords, 50 tags. So use it according to it. If you don't know what keywords or tags to use, then let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna make another video talking about the Creative Fabrica text and research and title and description. So I'm going to show you how to do that research and how to find those tags, title and description. Let me know in the comment section below that. But do that, guys. Another thing that I want to talk about is your thumbnail, your listing. What is a thumbnail about it? If it's just a simple thing without you actually informing your customer about it, then it would be very unlikely, because the first thing the people actually see on the platform is your thumbnail, and then they actually read the title, then they click on your product, and then they're gonna read the description. So they are not reading your description in the first place, they are just looking at your thumbnail. So optimize your thumbnail according to it, guys. What is your product related to it? If it is a graphic, if it is an SVG craft that is related to the Easter, then upload the thumbnail into that and write that as the SVG format. It's if it is having some particular size, write the size, and also write for which it is applicable. Either they can use in the Photoshop, the Illustrator, or InDesign. What is the platform, what is the software in which they can use it, and upload 2 to 3 images in your thumbnails. Like most of the people use only a single image. But if you want to get more sales, if you want to rank higher, then upload more thumbnail images. It will really going to stand you and help. The last point that I want to cover is share your Creative Fabrica profile on your, if you have an Instagram or the Facebook, or if you have a portfolio, your designer portfolio or any social media platform, share your Creative Fabrica shop on those platforms and get more people coming onto your platform. Even the Creative Fabrica have their affiliate program. You can share your shop as an affiliate as well, and getting more sales, thereby getting more sales by the affiliate program as well, and also from being a seller. So share it, promote your shop on as many platforms as you can to get the more eyeballs for your shop. And in the first thing, you can also use their freebie section. Now that is the bonus point I want to talk about, is the freebies. Creative Fabrica has a special section which contains freebies. So you can also upload any product and can put them as a freebie on their place. So anyone who will come clicking on the freebie would be more likely to come onto your shop, download your product, and would be putting your product as a favorites. So do that, guys. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. I would love to make another videos about the Creative Fabrica. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye, guys.